Hi everyone, my name is Claire Carmichael. I am a registered nurse lecturer and this is my new book, How to Make It as a Student Nurse, with the co-author Ann Marie Dodson, who is a senior lecturer as well at university. This book has 22 amazing chapters and it will benefit all student nurses and nursing associates. It's got step-by-step from applying to university all the way to qualifying and becoming a newly qualified nurse, and that transition process as well. Within the book, it's got everything you need for assignment tips, placement advice, exam revision help, maths calculations. But I've also got some of my bestest friends and my husband to provide little case studies throughout the book as well. So you're going to get personal stories throughout it, how to help patients with autism, epilepsy, anyone from the LGBTQ plus community, especially a transgender person. I've got a little section on ethnic minorities as well, how to best care for your patient. I personally have not wrote that section because I cannot talk about ethnic minorities when I am a white woman. I am very aware of that. However, I've got people to help me with this and write it with me to provide you with that information, because nobody talks about these things and there needs to be a lot more information out there to help you as nurses care the best way possible for your patients. And not only that, there's loads of different sections as well about mental health, coping with failures, money saving advice, big tips from me, things that I've used, tried and they work. And this book I wrote as a student nurse, so it's from a student nurse perspective. It's all the stuff they don't tell you. They don't tell you how to cope at university, how to do things a certain way. So this is going to be a huge help and hopefully help you get through your course and more. So what are you waiting for? Go buy yours.